Welcome to this demonstration of Standard ERP's Restaurant module. Let's take a look at a few of the tasks in a restaurant's daily process, such as seating management, taking orders, kitchen preparation, paying the bill, and a few important reports. First, we will review the tables view and taking orders. After logging in, we get a view of the restaurant's tables and their layout. Tables and seating the waiter can fill are displayed in gray, which currently has vacant seats and a bar tab allocated to Lisa Douglas. Tables allocated to other waiters are displayed in yellow. Our first customer arrives for lunch, so we'll select a free table. As it is our first customer of the day, we'll open a new session. After instructing the system that we're starting work on this machine, all transactions will then be included in the cash-up operations, sales statistics, creating general ledger transactions regarding the operations of the day, cash and other payments received, as well as the day's cash in and out figures. Table 3 is, by default, set as having 4 spaces, but our customer is in a group of 3, so we'll select the button Set Covers to update to 3 and save. After leaving menus for our customers, we'll give them some time to choose food and drinks. Now the table is indicated as reserved. The color has changed to green to show it is in use. Here, we can also see how long the customer has been seated. Let's go back and start taking orders. Select Table 3, which will bring you back to the Bar tab. The customer asks for a bottle of wine. We have the option for bottle or glass. Let's choose bottle. They have also ordered water. As they want 2 bottles of water, select the Water button again, and the order quantity will increase. The customer has now requested a waiter as they are ready to order food. We take their order for 2 carpaccio and 1 prawn cocktail as starters. The customers have ordered stuffed chicken breast as a main course with roasted potatoes and tomato salad. Then, a second stuffed chicken breast with rice and green salad. And finally, a steak. We want the filet medium rare, so we will select the free instructions and write it. Please note, there is the option to set this up as a default option as well. Let's send the order to the kitchen. We have 2 options. The first being to print kitchen order, which will print the order to the respective station of the kitchen, meaning the bar will receive drink requests, the grill will see the meat orders, and so on. Some restaurants, instead of printers, use kitchen screens. In that scenario, we select the option Kitchen Order to send the order to each station's display without printing. Kitchen orders are available on screens for different stations. If no station is selected, we will see all sessions. Let's select Meals in the Department field. Here, we see all meal orders. The color will change according to the time the meal has been waiting for preparation. For example, a 7-minute wait will show the color green, 12 minutes is yellow, up to 20 minutes is orange, then it will display red. These colors are defined per department and restaurant. The intervals for when screens refresh are definable per machine. The kitchen can prepare orders based on information displayed on the screen. When the kitchen order was created, activity records were also created in the system, which are accessible in the Task Manager and can be managed by the kitchen coordinator by selecting the task type To Do. The activities have also been CC'd to the restaurant supervisor, the person responsible for all the operations in the restaurant, user BK in our example, so they also have access to all orders. In the tab Alarm, we can see there is an alert set for 10 minutes after the activity was created, keeping the team informed about the kitchen's progress and minimizing the time that the customer is waiting for their order. Another method for the kitchen coordinator to manage all the orders is through the Workflow Overview. All requests are listed and, as they move through the process, the coordinator adds the respective information, such as preparation, plating, and available to deliver. Each task can be moved to the appropriate column with drag and drop, or by double-clicking the record and changing the status. When the order reaches the To Deliver status, the kitchen manager can double-click and confirm the order is ready to deliver. After it has been delivered, select the OK checkbox, and the kitchen order is considered complete. The order is no longer active and removed from the kitchen order screen. Table number 3 is now ready to pay their bill. Some restaurants choose to set up a gratuity or service charge to be added automatically. This percentage can be defined per machine. In our example, we have a service charge of 10%. Now, to process the payment, select the Payment button to see the available methods. This customer wants to pay with Visa. The amount displays for verification, then we select Proceed and the sale is complete as the receipt is printed. Now, the table resets to Available for the next customer. Let's look at another common scenario. The restaurant is full, a customer arrives and takes a drink at the bar while waiting for a table. After he orders his drink, select the Park tab button, which will allow you to continue servicing other customers. In the meantime, Table 4 becomes available where you can seat the waiting customer and transfer his bar tab. The drinks order has now been moved to Table 4. We also have the option to merge tables so bills can be paid together or separated as needed. In this case, we can split row by indicating in each row the quantity that should be split, or split the bill equally into 2 parts. Options to amend lines on orders, remove items from bills, or invalidate bar tabs are all available, and can be limited to users who have been given proper access rights, such as a manager, that has to log in to authorize these operations. Now, the day is finished, and a few tasks must be completed. First, we need to count the money in the drawer, which includes payments completed by card. Then, run the cash up reports and update our stock. Usually, these tasks are performed by different users. Cashier counts are done by the cashier, cash up reports and stock updates completed by a manager with a maintenance routine. Let's review these 3 tasks separately, starting with the cashier task. When the day is finished, the money is counted and recorded in standard ERP. We will now register the total amount we have in the drawer. This includes cash and the totals per payment method. We open the cashier count register and create a new one. Standard ERP will fill in certain information automatically: the current machine user, drawer, and machine number, date, and time. For the purpose of this demonstration, using the CA method, or cash, we will enter $10 less so we can see the discrepancy. Once finished, simply select the OK checkbox and save. The manager checks the cash up report. Here, you can see the total sales, amount in the drawer, and any discrepancies. If there are big discrepancies, you can go to the cashier and double check. Closing the session from the report is optional and can be done simply by selecting the option in the report, or it can be closed automatically in the next step. This maintenance routine will post in the nominal ledger with all transactions that occurred for each cashier. We can also run the maintenance routine for a specific machine and drawer, as the system shows, or leave these 2 fields empty. Standard ERP will close all sessions for all machines and drawers, then post the transactions to the nominal ledger. From the Operations menu, we have the option to open nominal ledger transactions. We see sales and sales taxes are credited and debited. Undeposited funds for the amounts received are shown, along with the loss we had when counting the money. We can set the stock update to occur automatically every night at a specified time. This will prevent stock shortages, accounting for stock depreciations for all items consumed during the day. For demonstration purposes, we will update the stock manually. Once we specify the period, today, for example, stock depreciations are not okayed by default, so stock levels can be confirmed. We run the maintenance, and we're done. Thanks for watching our demonstration on Standard ERP's Restaurant module. For more information, please contact your local Huntsville World partner.